Hello everyone, I'm an intern working in Lexus & Company and I'm going to present on the topic the third gender. So the third gender is being recognized to the transgender. In 2014, the Supreme Court gave the judgment which recognized them, and they are defined as someone whose gender identity is different from their assigned sex. So if they are assigned as male, but internally they'll behave as a female, so they are transgender. So transgender has been always discriminated from and marginalized from society, and uh, in 2011 there were around 55,000 transgender recorded, and sorry, 4,90,000, around 5 lakh transgender were recorded, and out of which 55,000 lived with their parents, only 55,000, and only 28,000 were recorded to be the voters. According to the activists, their number would be 6 to 7 times higher, but the counting wasn't done appropriately. Their literacy has been always low, and it is as low as 46%, as compared to 74% of the total literacy rate. The NHRC Commission shows that the rights of the transgender are very much compromised in every sector, and they are isolated from households, communities, institutions, society, because of being having the gender specific issue. uh, they are marginalized. So they are also being discriminated because everything requires a gender, especially the toilets, security checks, airports, ration card, PAN cards, driving license. 92% of the transgender are deprived of right to participate in any in jobs, and in any qualified jobs, and they are compelled to do the sex work or to beg. 52% of transgender are even harassed by students, and 15% were harassed by teachers. They are often gang raped, but they cannot approach a police station fearing harassment. Some even represent themselves as male to avoid the rape. There was no legal provision for the transgender earlier to enter the marriage, having spouse, or start up a family. They are denied to have accommodation also in renting and in hotel. 89% transgender uh, don't have employment opportunities, and they are compelled to 23 are compelled to do the sex work, which is at high health risk. Only 2% of trans people live with their parents, and this all lead to the judgment of the 2014, and the SC recognized them as the third gender, and they told that these gender is equal to the male and female gender, and all the fundamental rights would be applied to them as well. Also, the SC asked for the reservations for third gender, as it is asked for the minorities, uh, and in order to get them quotas in jobs and education, and to encourage them in future. So thank you. This was the presentation on the third gender.